Vivek, listen it carefully. Listen it carefully. The force exerted to pull a cart is directly proportional. Actually, I think that question from NCERT physics. That's why I have told you to cut the question. Okay. The force exerted to pull a cart is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Express the statement linear equation. First of all, student, that is the second law of gravitation. Second law of gravitation. Second law of motion, not gravitation. That is F equal to mass into acceleration. If I take F, and that is it is also given that so probably we know that F equal to ma, force equal to mass into acceleration. In this question it is given that it is mass equal to 6 kg, 6a, okay, mass equal to 6a. Now read from the graph the force required when acceleration is produced 5 centimeter square and 6 centimeter square. Okay, now when F 6, that is 6a, now when acceleration, that is a equal to, when a equal to 5 meter per second square, a equal to 5 meter per second. So you know that is acceleration. Acceleration means change of velocity per unit time. Acceleration means change of unit per unit time. That's why meter per second square. So when a equal to 5, then F equal to 6 into 5, that is 30. Okay, that is 30. And when a equal to 6, then it is F equal to 6 into 6, that is 36. Now tell me what is the unit of that to 30 and 36 quickly. What is the unit? What is the unit of F equal to, I got F equal to 30 and F equal to 36. What will be the unit? Quickly, Newton. Very good. So that is Newton. Okay. Now, so students, first of all, x equal to y, that's the equation. That is also equation. Equal to sign is there, and that is x axis and it is y axis. Along x axis put acceleration, that is a, and along y axis put f. So x axis, that is acceleration, and y axis is denoted as force. Now one thing, students, just I am just 2 points are there. That is x, when x equal to a equal to 5, when a equal to 6, that is 36, and when a equal to 5, that is 30. 2 points are there. I am drawing that graph here. Okay. It is acceleration, it is force. Just this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First of all, it is linear equation. Why it is linear equation? That is F. Power, anything is not in the power of F, and anything is not in the power of A. So that's why it's a linear equation. It is a linear equation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this side mark it as 5, 10, 15, that is 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. Now students, first point 6, 36. 6, 36 means 6 is the value of A and value of 36, that is F. So according to F, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that point, and 36 means between 35 and 30, between 35 and 40. So that point will be that 6 comma 36, that point A. Okay, that point is the 6 comma 36, and next 5 comma 30. 5 comma 30 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 this point, and 30. 30 means (35, 36) that point, and 30 means this point. So just add it. That is the linear equation of that F into A, F into 6A. Okay, F into 6A. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? It is here, it is not x-axis. In the x-axis put A and y-axis put F. Okay? Any other question? Okay. Now I am starting some giving you some question. It is already so 5 question. In case 9 I have asked 10 question in your class. I will ask 5 question. Answer it quickly. Answer it quickly. Okay. Sir, extra 5. Extra 5 next day I will discuss. Okay. Extra 5 I will discuss next day. Okay. First question. First question. First I will give you options. That is 0, 3, B 3, 0, 2, 0, and D 0, 2. Question is 5x plus 3y. 5x plus 3y equal to 10. Meet the 5x plus 3y meet the x-axis at which point? 5x plus 3y equal to 10 meet the x-axis at which point? 0, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Quickly. Meet the x-axis. Meet the x-axis. Okay, who answer first? Shubham. Aharit is there. Suhit, Aharit is in the call. Yes. Priya Kanjilal 2, 0. Yes. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. I think Aharit is not present. Onne sir, no. Shubham, well done Shubham. 5 people still typing. Okay, quickly answer it better. Okay, now I am explaining it. No sir, I am not present. Okay. First of all, 5x plus 3y equal to 10. 5x plus 3y equal to 10. I have told you it make intersect at x-axis. Intersect at x-axis means you have to put 0 opposite to given. What is given? X-axis. Opposite of x, that is y. So in place of y, put 0. So 5x, 3 into 0, 0 equal to 10. So 5x equal to 10, x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Got it? So x equal to 2. So 2, 0. 2, 0 is the answer. Okay? Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. 5x plus 3y equal to 10. Meet the y-axis at which point? 0, 3, 10, 3, 10 by 3, 2, 0, and 10, okay, that option is wrong. That is 10 by 3, comma 0 and D 0 comma 10 by 3. Which one is the correct answer? 0 comma 3, 10 by 3 comma 0, 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 3 by 10 by 3. Answer it quickly. Answer it quickly. Option D. Riddhita is wrong. Riddhita has given wrong answer. Sangam, how are you? Option B. So with option D. Cool, sir. Very good. I am also cool now. Okay. Which one? First, did the answer which option? Option D. Okay. Option D. Vivek, first you have given option B answer. Now you are telling me that option D. First of all, you have given option B. I hope. Yes, Vivek. Yes, first Riddhita answer. Well done, Riddhita. Right for giving you first right answer. First of all, students, 5x plus 3y 10. I am writing here 5x plus 3y equal to 10. Okay, and today is the last MCQ class of linear equation. Next day I will discuss another chapter MCQ. 5x plus 3y equal to 10. Which axis it is made? That is y axis. So y axis means you have to put in place of x. Y axis means you have to put, so 5 into 0, that is 0. 3y equal to 10. 3y equal to 10. Now y equal to 10 by 3. Y equal to 10 by 3. We know that the coordinate of any point, that is x comma y. X comma y. So 10 by 3, in place of y it is 10 by 3 and it is 0. So 0 comma 10 by 3 is the correct answer. Okay, 0 comma 10 by 3 is the correct answer. Got it, everyone? Yes, very good. Any problem to anyone? Any problem to anyone? Anyone? Okay, very good, very good. No problem, no problem. Okay. So moving on, question number 3. Moving on, question number 3. So a comma minus a lie on the point, sorry, lies, okay. Point a comma minus a lies on option x equal to a, option b y equal to a, option c x plus y equal to a, and option d x minus y equal to a. Quickly answer. Quickly answer. So option C, first answer given by you have, some of you have erasing your statement, removing your statement. Option C Vivek, option C Shubham, and option C Riddhita. Okay, sir, me. What? Given wrong answer. Priya Kanjilal C, Protoy C. Okay, very good. Okay. Quickly beta. Sangam C. Very good, Sangam. You told who answer first? Oh, okay. That time I told. Okay. So option 3, Sohelika, Ritika, they are not present in the call. Sneha Bhattacharya answer I didn't got yet. Sneha Bhattacharya কোথায় গেল? ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছে। প্রত্যয়, রাইমা দাস, রাজ সিং। Okay. Subham, Suhit answer. Okay, so this answer also first given by Riddhita Paja. Okay, first of all, students, x minus a, a comma minus a means it is solution of any equation. So that is, we know that that point is x, that point is y, that point is y. Now I am checking how to check. Left hand side x equal to a, where I put the y equal to minus a, so that answer is not right. Same, y equal to a, I can put in place of y minus a, but what, where I put x equal to a, x plus y equal to 0. Okay, left hand side and right hand side, left hand side x plus y and right hand side 0. Okay, putting the value in the left hand side, that a plus or minus a and 0, a minus a and 0, 0, 0, both are equal, 0 equal to 0 equal, so option C is the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer. You can check the last answer. Yes, okay, very good. Last answer, because that is x. Look at the board, left hand side x plus y, right hand side 0 in the option C, putting x equal to a and y equal to minus a, x equal to a and y equal to minus a. Got it? So as both sides are equal, so we can say a comma minus a lies on that line. We can say a comma minus a is the equation of that line. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? How to check it? Okay, I am explaining that why option D is not the correct answer. Okay, option D is not the correct answer. Option D, left hand side, that is x minus y, and right hand side 0. A minus of minus a and 0. A minus minus plus a 0. A plus a 2a. Left hand side 2a and right hand side 0. It means they are not equal. So it cannot be the solution of this equation. It cannot be. If they equal, then you can say here 2a equal to not 2 equal to 0. It is not possible. So D, a comma minus a is not the solution of last equation. Got it, everyone? Yes, very good, Riddhita. Okay. Next question number 4. Okay, time is already over by explaining 2-3 questions. Question number 4. Option A, 2x plus y equal to 17. Option B, x plus y equal to 17. Option C, x plus 2y equal to 8, 17. X plus 2y equal to 17. X plus 2y equal to 17. Option C, not option C, 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y equal to 17. 3x minus 2y equal to 17. Question number 4. X equal to 9 and y equal to 4. X equal to 9, y equal to 4. It means 9 comma 4. Okay, is the solution of which equation? Quickly answer it. 2x plus y equal to 17, x plus y equal to 17, x plus 2y equal to 17, 3x minus 2y equal to 17. 2x plus y equal to 17, x plus y equal to 17, x plus 2y equal to 17, 3x minus 2y equal to 17. Shubham answer option C. Option C. Shubham, Vivek, Protoy, Sneha, Riddhita, Raima. Very good. Annesa. Very good. Suhid, Raj, Riddhita. Okay. Trisha also. Very good. So option C is the correct answer. And how to check? How to check this question? You have to check which solution. So I'm explaining the third one as it is the answer. Okay, otherwise I have to check. So first one, okay, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side 2x plus y, and right hand side 17. Put x equal to 9, 2 into 9 plus 4. So 18 plus 4, that is 22, and right hand side is 17. 22 is not equal to 17, so first one cannot be the answer. First one cannot be the answer. Placing 9, yes, very good. And so in this way you will check, and I am just checking option C, left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side x plus 2y and right hand side 7, x plus 2y. In place of x, that is 9 into 2 into 4. So 9 plus 8, 17, and right hand side also 17. 17 equal to 17, 17 equal to 17. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Quickly answer it. Okay, last question in your class. Option A, x equal to 6. Option B, x equal to minus 6. Option C, y equal to 6. Option D, y equal to minus 6. Y equal to minus 6. X equal to 6, x equal to minus 6, y equal to 6. Okay. Write down the find correct option, that line parallel to x-axis and 6 unit above the origin. 6 unit above the origin. Parallel to x-axis and 6 unit above the origin. Okay, x equal to 6, x equal to minus 6, y equal to 6, and y equal to minus 6. Which one is the correct answer? Quickly answer it. Quickly answer it. The line which is parallel to x-axis and 6 unit above the origin, that is x equal to 6, x equal to minus 6, y equal to 6, and y equal to minus 6. Which one is the correct option? Option C. Okay. So now I am explaining. First of all, as parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, so you can must write y equal to a constant. Parallel to x-axis means y equal to constant. Parallel to y-axis, x equal to constant. So parallel to x-axis means y equal to constant, and that constant is 6 unit. Now question is, it will be plus 6 or minus 6. As it is above the origin, that's why plus 6. As it is, if it is below the origin, then it will be y equal to minus 6. Got it, everyone? So y equal to plus 6. Why? Because that word above the origin, that's why plus 6. That's why it is plus 6. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Okay.